Higher education has experienced a true paradigm shift over the past few decades. Today's colleges and universities must develop minds, inspire imagination, and prepare graduates with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in a competitive global economy. For over 130 years, students have counted on the University of Verne for quality programs rooted in a liberal arts education, built on the core values of civic and community engagement, diversity and inclusivity, ethical reasoning, and lifelong learning. A small, private, Hispanic-serving institution with many first-generation students, the University of Verne College of Business utilizes accelerated programs to meet the needs of traditional undergrads, working adults, active military and veterans, and create ethical business leaders, managers, and entrepreneurs.
The mission of the College of Business is to deliver exceptional, lifelong business education to our community. And we do that in a way that addresses the whole person. It's a whole person, real-life approach. So yes, you get the basics, you get the knowledge, you get the facts, you get the theories, but you also learn to be an exceptionally ethical person, a good team player, an excellent, inspiring leader, and a great colleague.
The College of Business is about opportunities. Our curricula puts an emphasis on hands-on application and real-world experience, providing numerous opportunities for students of all backgrounds to achieve success, both in person and online. Holistically connecting finance, management, and marketing, our integrated business program teaches undergraduate students to apply integrated business skills to form a company, determine the target market and product, develop a business plan, and sell their product throughout the semester, with all proceeds going to charity.
I started my MBA in 2015 here at University of Laverne. I had a very good experience here with the professors, especially in business schools. I said, why not? I'll get back after 5 years and do my doctoral here. Because I wanted to be focused in just one field in business, especially in finance, what I'm doing. And I think that helps for my professional career growth.
The University of Verne offers a student the opportunity to really embrace themselves because it's not so large that you can get lost. And so I encourage several students, even my administrative assistant, I encourage her to come back and get her master's here at the University of Verne, in addition to several other students that I've seen. And it's because it gives them the excitement of being able to move and go through a university without the pressures of logistics and largeness and bigness, and be able to focus on themselves while they are internally growing in addition to getting their education.
As the pandemic showed us, you cannot always predict everything that's going to happen. And when the pandemic happened, all of our strategic plans about what are we going to do for online and how are we going to slowly integrate that into our curriculum, that went entirely by the wayside because within 1 week, we're all going online and there's no choice about it. So sometimes these things happen and you have to adapt. And the most successful graduates in the future in our changing environment are going to be the ones who have learned how to learn. Not only learn the basic facts and theories as we know them today, but those things change. And if you can learn how to learn and learn how to critically appraise the facts that you see, that's the person who's going to be successful in the future. And that's what I believe a good business school can teach you.
Whether your passion is to work in corporate America, for a nonprofit, or create a startup, let us teach you transformative business skills for an evolving global business environment. Learn more today about the University of Verne College of Business and find your passion. For more information or to schedule a visit, go to business.laverne.edu or call 909-448-4026.